Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Vignan Technologies. So let's get back to the session, guys. Why SAP BODS? So before we get into the complete SAP data services details, so let us understand why somebody has to learn SAP Business Objects Data Services. So as you all know that no SAP BODS is an ETL tool. Okay, so it has got four main features as per my experience and expertise. So first and foremost thing, this is a SAP product. And second feature is data quality features. And third one is it has a powerful integration tool. Fourth one is a one-stop solution for S4HANA migration. So these are the four features that makes data services much more demanding and much more useful for all the clients over the existing ETL tools such as Informatica, DataStage, Ab initio, Talent, all that. Let's understand each and every feature in detail. So first feature, so which is SAP product. So what is the advantage of being an SAP product or SAP ETL tool? So as you all know that before the advent of SAP data services into the market, there was a dominance of non-SAP ETL tools such as Informatica, Ab initio. But if you look at most of the clients, the ERP sector uses SAP. Over 70% of the ERP customers prefers to use SAP ERP applications, which means that SAP badly wanted to introduce their own ETL tool. Okay, so being an SAP product, it has got more edge and compatibility with both SAP and non-SAP applications. It can connect to SAP ECC, BW, MDC, S4HANA, HANA database, all other SAP applications without any doubt. And it has got much more compatibility than any other non-SAP ETL tools. At the same time, it can connect to non-SAP applications such as flat files, nested structure, any database applications such as SQL Server, Oracle, Teradata, all that. Okay. So this is the first point. This is the advantage of being an SAP product. So let's move on to the next feature, which is the data quality features. So as you all know that there's a lot of growth in terms of the data because the usage of the internet, usage of the applications has become much more. So which means that there is a hell lot of data being generated by most of the applications. So getting the right data quality, the right data for all the analysis is becoming a Herculean task for most of the organizations. So that's where the data quality feature comes into picture. SAP Data Services has inbuilt data quality features which cleanses the data, find out the data anomalies, and at the same time enrich the data to the next level so that every client can make use of the data effectively. It can perform data cleansing and address cleansing using the dictionaries and directories, and it can perform the deduplication process to build the golden records. And the most important thing, it has got the tight integration with the data quality tool called Information Steward, which is again by an SAP product. Okay, so using the Information Steward, we can build the scorecards, we can build the profiling results, by using which we can get the deep insights of your data quality. Okay, so this makes data services much more preferred ETL tool in terms of data quality analysis part. So moving on to the third feature, so SAP Data Services is not just an ETL tool. So if you ask me, this is much more beyond the ETL tool. This is a powerful integration tool. Okay. I have worked with for a client like wherein they are using data services to provide the integration of the communication channel between most of their application systems. Because data services can establish the communication channel to cloud applications such as GCP, AWS, AWS and Azure, and it can read the data in the real-time mode from the various sources such as SAP, ECC, S4HANA, or Mrs. Q applications such as IBM, MQ, all that. And it can read the data from the third-party storage applications such as Salesforce, SuccessFactors, and C4C, all that. And it can be used to archive the data by connecting to the big data applications. And the most important thing that is a web services. this is a very powerful web service integration tool as well. So it can connect to OData applications, it can connect to REST APIs, SOAP APIs very effectively. Okay, it can deal with the nested structures such as JSON files, XML files very effectively. So to me, this is not just an ETL tool, it is much more beyond an ETL tool and powerful integration tool as well. And fourth feature, one-stop solution for S4HANA migration. SAP has released multiple methodologies or the tools to migrate the data to S4HANA applications. So if you are working for any of the SAP products, I am pretty sure you must be aware of S4HANA application. So every client is looking forward to migrate their landscape to S4HANA applications. Okay, and data services is definitely a one-stop solution to S4HANA migration application. So it can perform the data extraction, it can do a data validation and the data quality assessments and the migration of the data to S4HANA application using a single tool called Designer. Okay, so whereas if you go for LTMC, LTMOM, all other applications, like you cannot really do all the activities at one place. So data services is a one application wherein you can perform all the operations together in one place. It provides effective data reconciliation during the migration process, and the migration of data from the legacy system to S4HANA system can happen through a reusable job templates that SAP provides. So SAP provides the built-in job templates called rapid data solution for all the objects, for most of the objects. So you can just plug in and use those rapid data solution objects. So your development time and the cost is also reduced. Okay. And the most important thing, it is quite easy and it is quite developer friendly to upskill. So you have a lot of new resources in your project wherein they don't know SAP BODS. You can upskill them quite easily because this is more user friendly and the developer friendly. So thanks for watching the video. Please continue to watch the rest of the